Alright, so I recorded this whole video and so we're doing this video. Essentially, I was just talking about what price did and my expectations. So I'm gonna give my expectations first, since it's a re-recording. And I was already at the end of it, realized it was not recording nothing. Um, I'm expecting higher prices. We go from low time frame to high time frame. On a lower time frame basis, this midnight opening price, I expect price to drop lower, taking out this low here at 18 o'clock. This is a balanced range, and perhaps we find some support and then make our way all the way higher. We have to take it one step at a time. Now, if we'll make them go short. So if we push all the way higher by 9:30, then my expectation will be opposite. But I want to see this drop lower first. If it drops lower, then that would be a nice trade setup for us to then push higher. Okay, it's a 1 hour chart. 1 hour basis again. Like, what do we do today? All we do is drop into this level, and I will again break down what happened in today's price action, right? But we just dropped into this level here, which was very solid trade setup that took place. But from an expectation standpoint, it's just I want to see us push higher and take out these highs. Just go to the forward chart again. I'm looking for these highs to get taken. That's it. Now, in terms of what happened today, it's very straightforward. So we have, keep in mind, okay, as much as I'm also expecting higher prices, keep in mind that this low here, last week's low has been taken on US 30, not on Nasdaq. So the fact that US 30 has taken previous day's lows, the previous week low, Nasdaq has not. This previous week, sorry, intro week lows. Sorry guys, intro week lows. The fact that Nasdaq has not taken that, however, 30 did. This is a good sign that there's some strength in Nasdaq. So again, these highs to me look like they need to be taken out. That's my expectation still. We just had this delay after S&P obviously made a high, new all-time high, and Nasdaq did not. So we had some type of pullback. But I like the fact that we went lower and failed to make a lower low. And I do expect higher prices. Once we overcome this level here too, on a 4 hour basis, like close, I would expect prices to drift higher. This is on a 1 hour chart to kind of look through. So keep in mind again, it's two levels on blue from the 4 hour chart. Look at how price trade in there and eventually use it as resistance and drop lower into this level here. Go on the 15-minute chart, make it very simple. 15-minute chart, again, price went higher, right off the news, drops, trades higher into this loop zone here. If you look at S&P 500, S&P made a higher high, Nasdaq did not, and then price does what? Drifts away. In the process, it creates what? A nice little C4 order block. Trades into that, drifts away. Trades a little higher, drifts away. Creates a nice little area here as well. You can use for an entry. Right near previous week high, right near minute opening price. Beautiful for a nice sell-off. So there's a lot of clean entries, and it was pretty obvious at this point when price was over here. Let's just say use this order block or as an entry. All right, 30-point stop loss. Expectation price drops lower. Nice little 1 to 2, 1 to 3. So that was a nice little trade from here. Boom, boom. So straight up, simple, nothing crazy. 5-minute chart again. A little bit more details. I see a nice little run on liquidity here. Nice. Trades into this little zone here. Nice. So entry could have been even more precise up here. Stop loss above here. But overall, this is a nice setup. It gave you one right here too. So after running higher, taking out these highs, we distributed lower, creating a C4. I mean, a loose zone. Distribute lower, a loose zone. Distribute lower, loose zone, and drops. Very nice price action there. So we'll see what happens going into tomorrow, but I'm expecting higher prices. I like how Asian session so far has been somewhat of a consolidation. So I'll be looking forward to seeing what price does. We'll see. I'm watching this. I like how we kind of consolidated here. I do want to see price drop lower first and then give us a nice little entry higher. So it's pretty straightforward. If we're looking at the price levels, perhaps we can see what maybe 820 get hit, maybe the 850 level. So I'm just gonna highlight the 850 level. I want to see price perhaps hit that level. So much as 850 level, see what price does there. And if price goes below, we have 800 level. I don't want to highlight that since we're highlighted here. I really will watch this 850 level, see how price trades around it. Yeah. And even keep in mind, right? This is a whole number right here, 24,000. So 24,000. Look how price dance went above a little bit and dropped. So let's keep that in mind. And I don't see myself being short. I just don't see it. I don't see it. When only if price runs up high aggressively first, then I'll be short. As long as we're here, I want to see it run lower first and push higher. It's pretty straightforward, nothing crazy. So, we get tomorrow.